Hey everybody, Tony Pellegrino with GenRight Off-Road, and I'm proud to show you a brand new product that we've got that has just come out, which is our aluminum cargo rack. This is an upgrade from our original ACC 1000 that we called our large cargo rack. It was a little bit taller, it was made out of steel, and it was perfectly good and capable, but what it did was it made the space that allowed you to get cargo in very small because it was so tall. It is a direct replacement for that ACC 1000. The bolt pattern, everything is the same. It is adjustable by using the mounting brackets, and we offer mounting brackets for the JL, the JK, the TJ, the LJ, the YJ, and the CJ. So we've got, if you've got a stock cage configuration in any of those model Jeeps, we've got mounting brackets for this rack and our other racks in all of those Jeeps. So really nice. You can also get this divider that we have that allows you to put your fridge on the one side, and as you slide the fridge out, it won't let your contents fall behind it, so you can't get it pushed back in. And it allows you to keep all the heavy stuff down on the bottom and then keep your lighter stuff that you would typically need first out of the Jeep to set up your camp. That would be your tent, your sleeping bags, your pillows, all that stuff that would normally be on the top. Dividing up your cargo space and really making it quite useful and really keeping you organized when you're out there on the trail. So when you get a chance, check it out.